If you've ever opened your laptop to get stuff done and somehow ended up on page 17 of a which sandwich are you based on your birth month quiz? Hey, same. Focus isn't just hard. These days, it feels almost impossible. Our brains are overstimulated, overcommitted, and honestly, just tired. And the truth is, it's not your fault. But here's the good news. You can fix your focus in just 5 minutes. Even if your brain feels like it has 42 tabs open and one of them is playing music, and you can't figure out which one, I'm going to show you how. Now, here's the thing. Fixing your focus, it's not about forcing yourself to grind harder. It's not about waking up at 5 a.m., chugging black coffee, and manifesting productivity with a crystal in one hand and a planner in the other. Real focus, sustainable focus, comes from resetting your mind. It's simple, it's quick, and it works especially when you feel scattered and all over the place. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple 3-step framework I call the 5-minute mental reset. You'll learn how to calm your brain when it's spiraling, get your attention back when you feel totally unfocused, and lock into one task without needing some extreme digital detox or deleting all your apps. All right, let's jump in. Step 1. Breathe like you mean it. Yeah, I know. You've heard just breathe a million times. But I'm not talking about vague vibes and scented candles. I'm talking about real physiological stuff. When you're stressed or overwhelmed, your nervous system shifts into fight or flight, even if the threat is just a messy inbox or a late assignment. And when that happens, your brain literally blocks focus. So the fastest way to bring it back is to breathe on purpose. Here's the pattern I want you to try. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4. Exhale for 6. That longer exhale tells your brain, we're safe. We're good. No need to panic. Do that just 3 to 5 times. Literally takes 1 minute, and you'll feel your mental noise start to quiet down. You're not just chilling out. You're actually rebooting your brain. Okay, now that you've got your breath working for you, step 2. Move something small. When your brain is foggy, it's usually not because you're lazy or broken. It's because your body isn't engaged. You're in mental quicksand. Just stuck. So we shake that off. Literally. Stand up, stretch your arms high, roll your shoulders, shake out your hands. Do something that gets your body just slightly more awake. Even a 30-second stretch can be a full reset. And if you want to take it up a notch, throw on your favorite hype song just for one verse. Move to the music. Nothing fancy. Your body starts to move. Your brain starts to follow. Boom. We're back online. All right. Step 3. Pick one micro task. Not 5. Not your entire to-do list. 1. This is where a lot of people mess up. They try to do everything at once and the brain short circuits before it even begins. Instead, think, what's one tiny task I can actually finish in the next 5 minutes? Write the first sentence. Review one flashcard. Clear just the top of your desk. Make it laughably doable. Because momentum beats motivation. Every time. Once you start, focus gets easier. Your brain shifts from, ugh, this is too much to, hey, we're doing this. And here's a fun hack. Say your task out loud. Like, actually say it. I'm writing the intro paragraph. That's it. That voice, your own voice, creates commitment. You're not drifting anymore. You're steering. Now, quick bonus tip. If you want to take your focus even further, create a focus anchor. This is something small and repeatable that you only do when you're getting into work mode. It could be lighting a certain candle, playing a specific playlist, wearing a hoodie you only wear when you're in focus mode. Whatever it is, when you repeat that cue, your brain starts to associate it with deep work. It's like muscle memory for your mind. So let's put it all together. Your 5-minute mental reset goes like this. Step 1, breathe to reset your system. Step 2, move to break the fog. Step 3, choose one micro task that's winnable. And then, bonus step, anchor it with a simple ritual so it gets easier over time. That's it. This isn't about discipline. It's about design. You're building a system that helps your brain want to focus instead of constantly fighting with it. And the best part? You don't need a perfect morning routine or total silence or a productivity app with 9,000 features. You just need 5 minutes and the willingness to reset instead of pushing through. So, next time you catch yourself lost in digital noise, scrolling your way into oblivion, or stuck in the middle of nowhere with no focus in sight, pause, breathe, move, pick one thing, anchor it. You'll be amazed how quickly you come back. And hey, if this helped even a little, hit that like button, drop a comment, or share it with someone else whose brain is currently playing whack-a-mole with 12 thoughts at once. You're not alone in this. You're just one reset away from feeling like you again. You've got this.